Bitcoin has just broken below one of the most important levels of support, and on today's update video, I'm gonna be discussing what this means right now for the imminent short term, what this will mean for the longer perspective, and of course, I'm gonna be doing a deep dive about how important the US election currently is here, because I have got multiple charts that are currently proving my point that most likely, if history is an indication, the US election is the point where Bitcoin will go the most exponential afterwards. So without any further ado, don't forget to once again watch this video till the end, slap up that like button back above 1000 likes, that will be highly appreciated. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So first of all, Bitcoin has been going down over the course of the day, and yes, we've actually seen that Bitcoin has just broken below this very important level of support, which is that $62,000 level, which previously around provided major resistance, here flipped into support, and now we actually broke below it. And this is actually quite bad, since now we're literally confirming a downtrend again on the imminent short term. And the major support that currently is laying below us is definitely this box right here, which is laying around that $60,000 level. And if you're just zooming out ever so slightly more, you can see that, of course, ultimately we're still trading in an upward sloping trend here, where Bitcoin, of course, is creating higher lows and higher highs. But currently we can see that if Bitcoin is going to be breaking below this level, this $60,000 level, which is by far the most important support of this on the bigger perspective here. That is that previous resistance of this level right here, major previous support right here for Bitcoin. But if we break it, we're of course not only already having a lower high on the top side, but we will also confirm a lower low on the lower side, and that would be catastrophic for the current trend we are creating. So I'm still waiting for the Bitcoin bull market to start, and if history is an indication, it should start somewhere around this region in October, but so far it has not started yet, right? So I do have some other very important data points that basically shows us the correlation between the US election and the Bitcoin price. And of course, if I'm going to be looking towards this, you can see that this major Bitcoin consolidation phase, which lasted for about 8 years right now here, is going to come towards an apex somewhere around the US election. And if we're then going to be looking at all the previous times the Bitcoin bull market started, we can see that the election had quite a big effect on where the Bitcoin bull market really got started. I mean, literally in all the cycles so far, the Bitcoin bull market got started whenever the US election did hit the market. So yes, I do believe that this is a chart you should definitely take very seriously. And yes, if we're looking at the timings right now here, the Bitcoin bull market is literally about to start anytime soon. History tends to be rhyming, not exactly repeating. So I think it's a very bad time to right now say, oh, the bull market is not coming, I'm gonna be quitting crypto. And I can see it already in views, not only across my channel, but all the channels, they are very low. There's low interest in crypto, and that is why you do not want to be fading out right now here, because we are literally moments before the Bitcoin bull market is going to get started, and this major breakout is going to take place. And you can see 2014, 2018, it looks very similar towards where we're currently sitting in a 2020 to 2024 cycle. And yes, you can see it also on the previous occasions. Always whenever the US election hits the market, Bitcoin goes exponential. And also more importantly, Trump is a pro-crypto president, and if he is going to be winning, it's going to be even greater for the Bitcoin market. And you can see it on this chart. If the election odds of Trump really increases, it definitely does something with the Bitcoin price action as well. So I'm going to be closely looking towards this as well here. But currently, we can just see that Bitcoin is back at this major support level right here. We're sitting at this major level, which previously provided massive resistance for Bitcoin, or sorry, massive support for Bitcoin. And now, once again, it looks to be that we're still holding on towards this level. So we're sitting at quite a crucial level, because basically all the charts below this were big flash crashes on Bitcoin. Every single time once we went below this level, we saw a major crash. So you saw Bitcoin broke below this level right here, major crash. Break below the level right here, major crash. Break below the level right here, major crash. And then also right here, break below this level, major crash. And here we retested it, got rejected, crash. And now we're still sitting on this level. So if we break below this level, guys, the only thing that is likely to be expecting is that we're going to be having a major crash towards the downside. So I truly hope this is not going to be happening. that as soon as we do break below this level, I should definitely be a little bit more worried about the Bitcoin price action on that 8-minute short term. So this is very important to understand. And I mean, so far the chart compared to October 2023 is looking very similar. October still got another 20 months. Q4 is still very long, guys, and Q4 is probably going to be the best performer for crypto. And if you're looking at this fractal, this 5-wave structure, we're currently clearly at the 4th wave, and we're about to be initiate the 5th wave. And if this is anywhere clear to be true, guys, it's going to be allowing us to have another major rally towards the upside. And just like I discussed in yesterday's video, we're creating a major consolidation phase, which is about to be breaking out anytime soon. Wheels are still buying massively. And guys, if you want to be trading yourself, there is right now a huge opportunity on Bybit where you can currently, if you go to the highest link description of today's video, press on it, come to this page, and currently, you can claim a free $500 annual position for only signing up an account using that link below. So if you're interested in trading Bybit, check it out in the link description of today's video. Further on, I need to be discussing some other very important charts. And of course, first of all, this chart basically is the same as this one. I mean, it's the same important support line. So once again, if we break below this level, we're going to be quite screwed. I already explained that here. But more importantly, Bitcoin is still consolidating sideways in this major bull flag pattern for already over 226 days there. Whenever this breakout is going to take place there, we're going to be seeing an enormous rally. And yes, really, if you're zooming out towards the bigger perspective, to the monthly time frame, you can just clearly see currently for Bitcoin, we're creating a massive bullish consolidation phase, and the moment this consolidation phase, which consolidated above previous all-time highs here and actually is retesting the previous all-time high zone into support right now here and creating a falling wedge pattern after a major rally towards the upside, which are all very bullish signals, the moment this is going to be breaking out is going to be the moment where the big bull market is going to get started for Bitcoin. So basically, we're just looking at the major breakout happening anytime soon here, and if we're going to be looking at any targets we're currently looking at, it is just going to be massive, because the target, if we're going to be looking at this extension right here to the previous all-time high, is going to be looking somewhere around $280,000 for Bitcoin. So quite insane targets if you would ask me here. And guys, if you did learn something from this video, and if you did enjoy it, don't forget to stomp that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys back again on another video tomorrow on this channel. Peace out. Goodbye.